So I stopped the recording on accident because I'm a complete half-wit. So I guess I'm just gonna have to upload part 1 and part 2 as separate videos. Sorry about that. I pressed the volume key because I was like, oh, I should turn on my volume and stuff, you know? But I forgot that that actually ends up stopping the recording because I'm a dunce. You'll find I'm not, like, the best I'm not the best person with cameras. So, yeah. Yeah, nice rocks. I've probably already shown this like 10 times. You guys are probably already getting bored of it. But, I don't know, I just love the way the rocks are right here. It's genuinely really nice. We got nice tree roots and stuff. Oh, amazing tree roots right here. Like, it really just gives you... Is that ice? What am I stepping on? Is that dirty water? Ugh. Didn't like that. Not at all. But, yeah. I do object shows and stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Already said that 10,000 times. But I also like gaming. I mean, but who doesn't? Well, a few people. Oh, it's a cow. Yeah. Tree roots, some broken trees. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing some gaming and stuff probably. I don't really have a good way to record anything right now until I get like an actually good laptop or computer. So, yeah. I'm probably going to be posting like streams like this, like vlogs. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shoot. Nice. If you can see it, you can tell that the river flows over here actually. Yeah, and I enjoy just small things like that a lot. Oh, we got a bench over there. Not sure if you can see it. You know, like right there. Yeah. Nice tree right here. Oh god, my pants just got wet. Isn't that lovely? Ugh. More tree roots and stuff. I like it. But yeah. I like just having fun, you know? I might do a few skits here and there, every now and then. Oh my god, this... You know, this is sand. I can tell from how quickly... Ooh, tadpole! I don't know if it's still there or not, but there was a tadpole around there. Oh god. That's dirt water. Oh, hey, a leaf just... Oh my god, guys. It's a Leafy, an evil Leafy! Oh, gasp! I gotta get out of here. Apparently, I didn't know this was the evil forest. Sorry I keep looking at, like, over there. It's because I'm looking at myself instead of the camera, because I'm normally used to, like... I'm used to the camera being like this. So I, like, can look at myself and have it still record. But yeah. Plus, who wouldn't want to look at a handsome man like me? Wow. Yeah. Pretty nice stuff down there. Honestly, yeah. There's a gate down there and stuff. So I won't be able to, it's like a barbed wire fence, so I won't be able to, like, continue onwards and stuff. So I think that's actually where we're gonna end the video when I get down there or something. But yeah, you know, I know like probably nobody except my friends is gonna see this if they even want to watch it. I know. Ooh, that was like a whole fish. I know some of them probably won't even watch it because, yeah. But to anyone who does watch this, thank you. I want to just say that. Every view means a lot. Every like means a good bit to me. Yeah? Because, like, just a small guy in this world. This is pretty neat. Metal stuff. But yeah. As you can see, there's fence right there, barbed wire all through there. More barbed wire. There's cows over there and stuff, so I don't really want to go over there and disturb them anyways. So, yeah. So yeah. This is going to have been Waffleman93's forest walk and talk. Yeah. Hope you had a good day. Hope you have a good day. Have a good night. I'll see you all next time.